friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show the testing part of the lithium ion battery that I have built a few days ago. The lithium ion battery that I have made was about 48 volt and about 12.8 Ah. So in this video I will install the battery in my e-bike and I will test it is working or not. So let's start the project without wasting the time. Let's start. So friend, I have connected the battery unit which I have built 48 volt 12.8 Ah. So I have connected with the electric bike and I will check it will work or not. You can see it is working. So let's check all the equipment. So it is working basically without any issue. So now I have to build a proper packing system so that it remains fixed in its position. So friend, after installation of the battery I have to check it is charging properly or not. So I have connected it with the help of a charger which will give output of about 55 volt. So I have connected it with charger and it is charging. You can see as soon the charging started the red indicator will glow, and after completing the charging cycle a green indicator will glow which will prove that the charging has completed. So from my viewpoint I have seen this type of battery take about 45 minutes to take a complete charge. Let's see it is working or not and how it is performing. So friend, you can see it is performing well without any issue. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.